Hey OMG crew, Mona B here. So before we get into the video, make sure you guys turn on your post notifications so you are notified whenever I post a new video to this channel. Make sure y'all click the bell and make sure it turns gray and select all notifications that you want to get all of them from my channel so you guys do not miss these natural hair uploads. Period. And make sure you guys are subscribed to my Life as Mona B channel. It is my lifestyle vlogging channel. It will be linked in the description box below and in the iCard section. So make sure y'all subscribe to that channel. And make sure y'all are following me on Instagram at Mona X Banks. Boom. Okay, so before we get into the tutorial, I know y'all like, girl, just get into the tutorial. Won't want to hear you talk. But I just wanted to elaborate on the products that I use in this video really briefly. Okay, so you guys have been asking me for the longest time to try Bella curls. Y'all was like, try Bella curls, try Bella curls, try Bella curls. And I don't know what took me so long to try it. I tried it, and I'm going to give you guys my thoughts. Now, I didn't get the whole product line. I just got the items that I thought would be, you know, best for, I guess, this particular video. So I didn't get the shampoo or conditioner or anything like that, but I did just get the coconut whipped cream leave-in conditioner. And I have to say, love, 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 love. This stuff is so affordable. Y'all, this was only $5.50 at Family Dollars. What? Where are they doing that at? I absolutely love this. Like, it has so much slip. Y'all, this is bomb. This is absolutely bomb. Wow. I'm blown away. And it's affordable. You cannot beat this. And you get 16 fluid ounces. What? And a little bit goes a long way. Bomb, 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 bomb. New staple, and it's just so silky and it keeps your hair so moist. Like, my hair is not dry or anything, y'all. Bomb. Love this. And then I went ahead and twisted my hair with the Bella Curls Coconut Cream Curl Defining Cream. And this is like on the richer side. It is rich or whatever. I do like the texture. I like the consistency, but I noticed that you cannot get heavy-handed with this because if you use too much of it, it will flake up in your hair. And at the very front of my hair, y'all can see the little white spots. That's from that. I think it's because I got carried away, like I got heavy-handed. So don't get too heavy-handed with this product because you may see some residue left on your hair. That's kind of like the struggle with curling creams. Like, you can't overdo it. And I have heavy hands when it comes to using products, and I always usually overdo it. But I would say don't overdo it. But I love the consistency. I love the texture. It's really, really nice. It gives a lot of slip, and it definitely does give definition. Y'all know how I do. But y'all can see the definition. Y'all know I usually pick all my definition out trying to lift my roots because y'all know I do have finer type 4C natural hair. My hair is on the finer side. So I have to do a lot more fluffing to get it to look full, or else my hair won't look full at all. But yeah, so I do like this, but I would definitely say just don't get heavy-handed because it will flake on you. But I mean, I'm sold on this leave-in conditioner. Absolutely love it. I'm just going to use the curl cream again in a different way and see if I can tweak it and get it to work exactly how I would want it to work. But it definitely gives great definition. So I just wanted to give y'all that little mini review on the products that I did use in this video. And I did a little style, you know what I'm saying, a little something simple. Now, since this did flake in my hair, I'll probably take this style down, kind of like wet my hair with my spray bottle, and I'll two-strand twist my hair back up, and I will let y'all know if the white residue went away or did it stay. I'll let y'all know because I mean, obviously I don't want to walk around with like white residue in my hair, and it's a little bit of it towards the back or whatever. So I'm definitely going to do that, and y'all probably see that in a video up and coming sometime after this video. But I'll do like another video or whatever, and I'm just, because I don't want to rewash my hair, you know what I'm saying? So I'm just going to spray it down and twist it because it already has product in it. So that's what I'm going to do, but I do like those products. So let's just go ahead and get into the hair tutorial. Alright y'all, so I'm starting off on freshly washed hair, and I'm going to go in with the Bella Curls Coconut Whipped Cream Leave-In Conditioner. It is a silky consistency, and it does have coconut oil in it, but it's weird, y'all. It doesn't really feel like it has a lot of coconut oil in it to me. But yeah, it definitely does. It has purified water. It has shea butter and things like that in it. It's supposed to condition and hold in moisture in your hair, and it is for curly, coily, and wavy hair. So I really like how slippery it is, y'all, and it is very moisturizing, which I like. So as you guys can see, I'm just detangling my fro, picking it out, and then I'm just going to part a section on each side of my head because we will be putting some flat twists there later. I'm just doing like a little simple style, nothing too major. I just really want to try these products out with you guys, but I do like the leave-in conditioner a lot. It is really lightweight and it's not heavy. So next we're going to go in with the Bella Curls Coconut Cream Curl Defining Cream, and it is on the thicker side. It's not too thick, but yes y'all, it smells just like the leave-in conditioner, and yeah, it does give great shine, and I will have to say it's very moisturizing. So I definitely like this as well. Just don't get heavy-handed with it, like I said, and y'all will see I kind of got like heavy-handed once I got to the front section of my head, and I feel like that's where I went wrong with it. So just use a little bit of it goes a very long way. So these products have zero sulfates, parabens, dyes, gluten, or anything like that in them. Both of them do have shea butter in it, like I mentioned before. And the curl defining cream does have glycerin in it, so if you're looking for a product that is going to like stretch out your hair, this is probably not going to be it. It definitely didn't elongate my hair or make my hair stretch out, but it is a really nice curl defining cream because it definitely gives you the definition for sure. But I just wanted to put that out there for those of you that have short natural hair like mine. It is not an elongating cream, okay? So I knew I had used too much product at the front section of my hair, so I went back in and sprayed it with my water bottle to try, you know, to reactivate it and blend it in some more, but that didn't work. So yeah, just don't do that. Just don't get heavy-handed like me. And then I did go ahead and apply some OMG oil from Heritage 1933 to my scalp, just to make sure my scalp is moisturized because I don't like my scalp being dry. So yes y'all, and this oil does promote hair growth and things like that. Alright, so now I'm going to go ahead and do the flat twist on those sections of hair that we left parted out. And I'm just going to apply a little bit of the leave-in conditioner to each section. And I'm literally just doing flat twists. You can do braids or whatever you would like. And I did the same steps on the other side of my head, you know, just to jazz it up a bit. Now I'm going to go in with some OMG oil on my fingertips, and I'm literally just going to unravel the twists. I only unraveled them like one time because at this length of my hair, if I keep unraveling them too much, they'll just turn into like, they'll get really frizzy basically. But although I ended up picking, you know, a lot of my definition out, that's just what I normally do. And as you guys can see, that's the white residue, excuse me, that I was telling you guys about at the beginning of the video. But I just took my pick, and I also took my little lifter pick thingy to like lift my roots as well. So next I'm going to go ahead and lay down my edges. Now this is optional, and I'm just going to take some Eco Styler gel. Yes, I have type 4C natural hair, y'all, and I can lay my edges down. I have fine hair, guys. I know I get a lot of comments about that, y'all. My edges are just really fine, and they don't take much to lay down. Like, so yeah, Eco Styler gel works for me, but use whatever works for you. And this is how the finished look turned out. I love it. It's super cute. Such an easy style to do. Oh, and I did pin those twists back with closed bobby pins. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video. I hope it was helpful. Thanks for watching. I will see you all on my next one. Bye.